What's up everybody? Today we're going to be swapping the A4's diffuser. It's currently got an S4 OEM diffuser on it, and we're going to be swapping it out with the ECS Tuning carbon fiber diffuser. So to begin, we got to take 3 bolts off the bottom of the diffuser, and then you have to gently pry the diffuser off of the car. So I'll show you the 3 bolts that I'm talking about. Here's one. There's the second one. And there's the third one. So once I get these 3 out, I'm going to be, again, gently prying this out. It's going to take a little bit of force, so don't get afraid if you think you're going to break it. Worst case, you'll probably break a tab or 2. So don't be afraid. So this is the diffuser that's going to be getting installed today. Looking forward to throwing this on there since the car is pretty blacked out and definitely needs the diffuser to be carbon fiber for sure, because this thing is sweet and it's just going to set the whole look off real nicely. So let's see how it looks, guys. This is definitely a good way to keep quarantined, working on your car while everything else is shut. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna just take it out from the side. This one's kind of easy. Yours might be kind of difficult. This has been taken out quite a few times. There we go. Just pry it out like so. And same thing on this other side. Just gotta yank it a little bit. This one slips into the same spots, and just trying to line it up so I don't have anything break. Now just to pop these screws back in. Alright guys, so I'd actually switch cameras because my other one died. But anyways, this diffuser is looking really nice. Honestly, very happy with the purchase. Everything looks really good, and really happy with the outcome, because as you guys can tell, it looks really sweet. Wow. You can stare at it all day. This thing is just so beautiful. So is that one over there. But is this Wednesday. Yep. Anyways guys, that just about wraps this video up. If you guys liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you guys want to see more videos like this in the future, drop a comment below and let me know.